Egypt has reopened for visitors a historical mosque, Suleyman Pasha al-Khadim Mosque, after a restoration project that took 5 years. It is the first Ottoman-era mosque in Egypt.
النهارده المجلس الأعلى للآثار بعد أعمال مشروع هايل بدأ في 2018 أي لمدة 5 سنوات وبتكلفة بلغت 5 مليون جنيه بنفتتح مسجد سليمان باشا الخادم المعروف باسم سارية الجبل. مسجد بني في 935 هجرية على بقايا وأطلال مسجد فاطمي لأبو المنصور قسطة، كان والي الإسكندرية في زمن الخليفة الآمر بأحكام الله، ويرجع فترته ل 535 هجرية، يعني بعد 400 سنة.
Egypt has inaugurated a newly restored Ottoman mosque built by the 16th century governor Suleyman Pasha al-Khadim that lies within the citadel that has dominated Cairo's skyline for centuries. The mosque, with 23 green-tiled domes and members' prayer niche inlaid with renowned Inzik tiles, is Cairo's earliest Ottoman mosque, built in 1528, 11 years after the Ottoman army under Sultan Selim conquered Egypt from Mamluk Empire. The 2,360 square meter mosque complex lies on the site of the Fatimid-era tomb of Sayyid Sariyat, built in 1140 and which still survives. To distinguish the Ottoman mosques, the minaret is usually pencil-shaped, said Mustafa Waziri, head of the Supreme Council of Antiquities. The mosque consists of the prayer area, the vicinity, the Fatimid cemetery, and the Kutab or Quran school.
المسجد ده هو أول مسجد عثماني في مصر. ما يميز هذا المسجد وجود 23 قبة في هذا المسجد. عشان نعرف المساجد العثمانية دايما المأذنة بتاخد شكل قلم الرصاص. المسجد عبارة عن بيت الصلاة، عبارة عن الصحن المكشوف، وفي المدفن الفاطمي ثم الكتاب.
The mosque, known as the Suleyman Pasha al-Khadim Mosque and also Sariyat Mosque, is inside Cairo's citadel. The citadel was built by the Muslim general Salih al-Din after he conquered Cairo from the Fatimids. A few years later, Salih al-Din went on to conquer Jerusalem from the Crusaders. The restoration took 5 years under the supervision of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities and the military's Arab Organization for Industrialization.